first parcel diri sa Pilipinas. Happy holidays! Oh, may pangalan Dermo Republic. Package is only for 61. And this one is it's a toner. It's Dermo Republic Toner Alpha Arbutin plus tranexamic acid Power White Formula. In fairness, it's already 100 ml for together with serum. The serum is 30 ml. Serum is 10% niacinamide plus 3% tranexamic acid plus 2% alpha-arbutin for ultra-wide formula. Buksan natin. I'm a user already of all of this product. Dermo Republic. Oops. Nag-purchase lang ulit ako kasi paubos na yung aking serum. Ito. Charan! Matagal na po maubos to sa akin kasi panggabi ko lang ginagamit is only sa gabi. So, mga 2 months na yata. 2 months. Until now, meron pa naman kaunti. And then, toner. Shala na ako, meron ng toner. Dati, ano lang serum. Tsaka malaki ito hindi ma-joke. Matagal na to bago maubos. Spray mo lang sa mukha.